Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we explore the most extraordinary vehicles ever built. Today you're about to experience something truly unbelievable. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. This isn't just a truck-turned-luxury home. It's a revolution on wheels. You won't believe what's inside this futuristic masterpiece. That's redefining comfort, technology, and power for the open road. At first glance, the 2026 T2000 commands attention. Its bold front grille, aerodynamic shape, and sleek LED lighting system make it look more like a spaceship than a semi. But this beast isn't just about looks. Under the hood, Kenworth has installed a next-generation hybrid diesel-electric powertrain that's both efficient and incredibly powerful. It delivers smooth performance on highways and mountain roads alike, while remaining whisper quiet. The adaptive drive control adjusts torque and energy output automatically, giving you a silky smooth ride no matter where you go. But the real magic happens inside. The moment you step through the automatic door, you enter a completely different world, a mobile penthouse. The living area greets you with Italian leather recliners, ambient LED mood lighting, and a massive 4K smart TV built into the wall. Every surface feels premium, from the wood grain panels to the chrome-trimmed finishes. The panoramic windows open up the space, giving you an incredible view of your surroundings while maintaining complete privacy with motorized shades. The 2026 T2000 is packed with smart technology. Voice-activated controls manage everything, from the lights and temperature to entertainment and security. You can even say, "Good morning," and watch as the system automatically opens the blinds, starts your coffee maker, and sets your preferred climate settings. Moving into the kitchen, it's every traveler's dream. You'll find a sleek stainless steel sink, induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and a convection oven that remembers your favorite meals. Storage space is hidden but abundant, and every drawer features soft close technology. Whether you're parked at a scenic overlook or a luxury RV resort, this kitchen feels like home. The bedroom takes luxury to another level. A king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress sits beneath an LED starlight ceiling. There's a built-in entertainment hub, motorized blinds, and customizable ambient lighting that turns bedtime into an experience. And yes, even the bathroom feels straight out of a spa. You get a rainfall shower with temperature memory, LED vanity mirrors, heated floors, and elegant marble-style finishes. Every element has been designed for comfort, convenience, and total relaxation. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome isn't just transportation, and it's transformation. It's the ultimate symbol of freedom, blending high-end design with cutting-edge innovation. So if you thought you'd seen luxury before, think again. Subscribe to Auto Plus for more jaw-dropping reviews.